Hello to all those who are watching this video. This is the video for the students of class 12th bio. Okay, and the topic is carbon cycle, and the topic is from the chapter 14 ecosystem. See, before we just begin with the carbon cycle, we must know what are biogeochemical cycle. From there we'll start. Okay, and under that topic we will study different cycles like carbon cycle, phosphorus cycle, and nitrogen cycle this way. Okay, so these all we will study. So let's see what are biogeochemical cycles. See, uh, this cycle or substance turnover or cycling of substances is a pathway by which a chemical substance moves through biotic and abiotic components of the earth. Okay, biotic means all life forms, biosphere. Okay, all life forms. And when we say abiotic means lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. तो किस तरीके से एक cycle चलता है, living to non-living, then non-living to living. This is called as the biogeochemical cycle. Okay, so some of the major biochemical cycles are water cycle. Okay, because it also uh, is considered as a biogeochemical cycle because it is also passing through living means abiotic and the biotic one. Okay, so this is water cycle, second is carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, and some cycles are there which are interconnected. Okay, like when we talk of carbon cycle, at the same time we just link with the oxygen cycle as well. Okay, so the producer of an ecosystem take up several basic inorganic nutrients from their non-living environment because that is acting as a reservoir. So this is the same nutrient cycle you call or the biogeochemical cycle. Okay, so there are environmental factors like soil, moisture, temperature, etc., and regulate the rate of release of nutrients into the atmosphere. Okay, you should know the word standing state. Okay, standing state, what is it? So this is the amount of nutrient which are present in the soil at any given time. Okay, that is the amount of nutrient present in the soil at any given time, that is called as standing state. Okay, so nutrients, nutrients are never lost from the ecosystem. They are recycled time to time, and again this recycling goes on indefinitely. Okay, so these biogeochemical cycles, they are classified into two categories. One is gaseous cycle and second is sedimentary cycle. So we will study both gaseous as well as sedimentary cycle. So this is a simple example which shows how the abiotic and the biotic one, they are interconnected, and how the nutrients flow from the abiotic to biotic and back to abiotic. Okay, you can see here soil is the reservoir and plants are the producer one. So all the producers, they take up the nutrients from the soil, and by consuming the plants, the consumer gets its all those nutrients. Okay, and this way the consumers are also of different categories, so this pass on to others, and when they die their body is decomposed, and all those nutrients, they are just returned to the uh, atmosphere or to the nature. So in this video we will study the carbon cycle. You know very well carbon is very important component. Okay, So this cycling of carbon occurs through atmosphere, ocean, and through living and non-living dead organisms, right? Okay, dead organisms. So most of the carbon that is fixed by plants and by the process of photosynthesis, and it is returned to atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide during respiration. I told you that there is oxygen is also involved over here. Okay, and many processes are there which releases the carbon dioxide in that